Hello, good morning students. Children, in this chapter number 9, Animals Living and Surviving, we have studied that animals, they suit themselves, they adjust themselves to the natural surrounding. So this adjusting to the natural surrounding is called adaptation. Okay. So animals adapt to their surrounding, to their environment, to the place they live in. They live in their natural habitats. According to the natural habitats or based on natural habitats, animals can be grouped into 5 categories. Terrestrial animals like lion, tiger, rabbit, snake, dogs, cats, cows. These are the animals that live on land. They are called terrestrial animals. Okay, they have 4 limbs. They move on the land. They have strong legs which help them to move. Okay. Similarly, those animals that live in water, like we have studied about the fish and these even mammals like dolphin and whale also live in water. So these animals are called aquatic animals. They have gills which help them to breathe, unlike the terrestrial animals that they have lungs to breathe. Next, we have studied about amphibians. Amphibians like frogs, salamanders, newts, they live in both land and water. As we studied that, the baby frog, tadpoles, they have gills like fish which help them to breathe in water because they live in water when they are babies. When they grow up into adults, like frogs, they live on land and that time they have lungs to breathe in. Now these amphibians, when they live in the other amphibians, when they live in water, they breathe in with their skin, that's why we call it molluskin, and when they are on land, they breathe in with the help of lungs. They have actually these limbs help them to move or swim in the water. Then we studied about the aerial animals, animals like birds, insects and bats. They fly in the air and they are aerial animals. They have light and hollow bones and which help them to fly. Their body shape is bow shape which can cut through the air, and they have they have wings which help them to fly. But bats, they don't have wings as the birds have. Actually, it is the part of their skin which is their extended skin which is their wings. Okay. Insects also can fly with their wings. Okay. Next, we studied about the arboreal animals, where those animals, land animals that spend most of their time on the trees, like monkeys or tree lizards or the squirrels, flying squirrels, and they have their, they live there. Their natural habitat is in the trees, and they have claws, they have strong legs which help them to fly. Monkeys have tails which help them to swing or to hang on the branches of the tree, and even the squirrels also, they can jump from one tree and they carry their food in their forelimbs. In this way, these are the different types of animals according to their natural habitat. Children, now let us do a small exercise which is given in your textbook of science, and it is in page number 77. Is choose the correct answer. As you know, oral questions, choose the correct answer. You all know these answers. Do it yourself and then check the answer with the video. Polar bears, camel, deer live in cold areas. Do polar bears live, or camels live, or deer live in very cold areas? As we discussed that in cold areas, even when we were talking about terrestrial animals, we talked that some animals live in the desert, some animals they live on the extreme cold temperature, some animals they live in the marshy land. In different types of land you have, land features you have, and those animals that live in extremely cold weather are the polar bears. Children, you will study about these polar bears in your social science and in the other classes. So these camels, as you know, they live in the desert area. Deer you find in the normal land forms the plain lands. Okay. Coming to the second one, gills, lungs or air holes in fish help them to breathe in air. We all know that fish have gills which help them to breathe in the water. Okay, lungs, mammals have those animals that live on land have lungs. Air holes, that we have studied that those animals that they have air holes, sparrows, they are not the fish. Fish have gills which help them to breathe in water. And the third one, arboreal animal or aerial animal or aquatic animals fly in the air. Tell me children, which animal fly in the sky? Are the aquatic animals fly in the air, or the aerial animals that fly in the air, or the arboreal animals that fly in the air? Okay, so as you all know that it is aerial animals which fly in the air. So aerials are the animals that fly in the air. So these are your answers. Polar bear live in cold areas. Gills in fishes help them to breathe in water. And aerials, animals fly in the air. Please do it in your textbook, children. Thank you.